This video is about how to make a PowerPoint using Microsoft PowerPoint. This video will show you how to open Microsoft PowerPoint, the easiest way to add information to slides, and how to save your PowerPoint to use it later. When you first start up your computer, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. This is your home screen. It's called the desktop. It has a bunch of icons on it. You're going to use your mouse to move the arrow over to the Start button. If you're using a laptop, your mouse looks like a big blank screen closest to you on the bottom of your laptop. You're going to drag your finger across it to move your mouse. You're going to click on the Start button with your left mouse button, and a menu is going to pop up. In the box at the bottom of that menu, you're going to type in PowerPoint, and you should see Microsoft PowerPoint appear on your menu. Click on that or press Enter to open. This is the home screen of the PowerPoint program, and this is where we begin. You can choose a template that you like or start with a blank one. I'm going to choose this one today. A box is going to pop up and we're going to press Create. This is the first slide on your PowerPoint. To add your title, what you're going to do is click on it and type. This is the same thing you do to add text in any text box on the PowerPoint. Just click and type. On the right-hand side, you can see some design ideas, some more templates that you can use for your PowerPoint. So PowerPoints usually are not made up of just one slide. Usually there's more than one. So on the top left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a button that says New Slide. And if you press that button, then another slide will appear. You can add as many as you like. And again, to change any text on the text in the text box on your slides, just click on it and type. Let's say we want to add a picture. We go up to the top left-hand side where it says Insert. And here we can add a picture that is on your computer already, or we can look for one online. If we choose Online Pictures, a box will pop up and it has a bunch of pictures listed, but let's look for one in particular. Let's say I want a picture of a library. We're going to type in library and press Enter. Then it shows us a bunch of pictures of libraries. You can scroll down and find the one you like. I decide that I want this one. So I click on it and then I press Insert. Once I press Insert, it appears on the slide. You can click and drag it around to move it wherever you like. If you click on the corner and drag it, it will resize the picture, make it smaller or larger. A transition shows you what happens between the slides. You can make it fancy or plain, and that is on the top left-hand corner, Transitions. You can choose what happens, what the PowerPoint shows in between the slides. For example, if you choose one off of the menu here, you could use any of these. These are just a few examples of the transitions you can choose. Another way to add movement is to add an animation to something on your slide. So on the top left, on that menu, there's an Animations button. If you click that button, you can add a motion to any of the items or words on your PowerPoint. You can make them appear, disappear, or you could make them move. If you add a motion path like I've done here, you can make an object on the screen move around the screen during your PowerPoint. So when you're ready to save when you are ready to show your PowerPoint, you can make it appear on large full screens. What you're going to do is you're going to go down to the bottom of the screen where you see a little icon of a stand-up screen projector. This icon, if you click it, it makes your PowerPoint go full screen. When you're ready to save, you're going to press the button in the top left-hand corner. That little box next to the arrow is your save button. You can pause this video here until you're ready to save. When you're ready to save, you press the save button and a new box will pop up. The long box at the bottom shows the name of your PowerPoint. You can name it whatever you like, the title or PowerPoint or My PowerPoint, whatever you like. When you're ready to save it, you press Save. That saves your PowerPoint to the machine you're working on, to your computer. If you want to access it from any computer with internet access or your cell phone with internet access, you're going to save it just like we did here, and then you're going to minimize the screen. It's the little short line at the top right-hand side of the screen. You're going to press minimize, and that will take us back to the desktop. Now we're going to go on to the internet. You're going to use your mouse to move the arrow up to whatever internet browser you like. That could be Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or a different one. Today I'm using Google Chrome. So you're going to double click. That means click twice. If you're using the library computer, it will probably take you to the library catalog. What we're going to do is we are going to move all the way up to the address bar where you see the website name. You're going to click there and type in whatever email you use. This could be Yahoo or Gmail or Hotmail. Log into your email account. You can pause this video until you're logged in. You can use whatever email you like. Today I'm using Gmail. You're going to compose a new email that's usually listed as compose or new. You're going to start writing a new email. So the box will pop up. On the to line, you're going to type in your email address. Yes, yours, because you're going to email it to yourself. As a subject, you can type in whatever you like, PowerPoint or PowerPoint and the year or the title of it. And then you are going to find the paperclip icon. It's usually at the bottom of the screen. That's the attach button. So you're going to click on that paperclip. You're going to find your PowerPoint that you made. And if you can't find it, you can go up to the top right of that box and press search and then type in the name of it and search for it. Once you found it, you click on it and then you press open. And that will take you back to your email. Once you've done all that, you press send. And that will send your PowerPoint to your own email address so that you can access it from any computer with internet access or your cell phone with internet access. That's not the only way you can save your PowerPoint. You can also save it on a USB drive, also called a flash drive or a thumb drive. Or you could print out the slides and copy them for later use. That is how to make a PowerPoint using Microsoft PowerPoint.